YouTube. How are you guys doing today? I just wanted to hop on here really quick. I've been really wanting to do this video. It's a little bit more technical than I normally just do a haul or like what's in my cleaning kit. But I was gonna kind of break down for you today how I store all my inventory. I'm in my lovely garage. Looks really gross up here, doesn't it? But back here is where I have racks and bins of all my inventory. And I just switched over to a reusable bag because before I was using the like sealed non-reusable bags that I just would put in my poly mailers and ship. And now I've switched over, once I ran out of those, I switched over to a reusable Ziploc. They're not the Ziploc brand, but they're kind of that concept so that I can keep reusing them, and it's a little bit better for the environment. I am trying to make my life and business as waste-free and sustainable as possible, just because we have to, right? So anyways, I do use a full reseller spreadsheet. It basically tracks everything from like date of purchase, price, where I purchased it, date I listed it, date it sold, how much it sold, item description. It does also have the item number on it so I can find it in my bin systems. I track all that data, and I do have that spreadsheet available for you to download on my website, and I will link it below. If you have any problems downloading it, feel free to shoot me a message, DM me, email me, whatever, and I'll make sure I get it to you, because I have had a couple people have issues, and so I just emailed it directly to them. And if you want to use it, great. If you just want to see it to get an idea to customize your own, great. If you hate it, great. Whatever works for you, you know, take what you want and leave what you don't. I'm not offended. It's just what I do, and if it can help other people, that's great. So that's what I use to actually track my inventory. And then, like I said, I use all these bins back here, and they are numbered. The little blue, I use my little, I have it right here to show you, my little blue tape that, you know, can kind of come off. This is like that painter's tape. And then I write the numbers because I do combine the boxes or the bins as things sell, so that I can constantly have room for more inventory. So that is how I do that piece of it. I did want to share a little bit about you with the different bags that I use, and I'll link them below in my Amazon store just to make it a little bit easier. I've only been buying counts of 100 so far, so I bought 100 of the 10 by 12 bags, which is this size, and it fits like, you know, a shirt, or like this is a little dress, just to kind of give you an idea of what can fit in it. And then I bought 100 of the little bit bigger, I'm looking over here at my notes if you're wondering, it's 12 by 15 because I wanted to get the measurements right for you. I bought 100 of those, and those are a little bit bigger. It can fit like jackets, jean jackets I have in some, like a bigger shoe. I do currently mix in all my hard goods, so shoes and jewelry and anything, I do mix it all in. Some jewelry I do put in a box, or like I'll put a bunch of little Ziplocs in a big baggie of these inside the bin, just so that it's easier to find and like a little ring doesn't get lost. That was my mailman just dropping my mailbox because my mail slot is in my garage. So if you heard that, and he's coming to pick up my Posh packages at the same time. So anyways, but that is what I use for the reusable bags. And yeah, that's pretty much how my inventory system works. So after I measure and list, I bag them in whichever bag is suitable. And then I have stopped using these little stickers. And I have either been writing directly on the bag in a Sharpie the number, or I am using the free post office stickers. I don't have one handy. Oh, here's one. I'll show you. To essentially just write the number, because sometimes a Sharpie is hard to read on the bag. It's just harder when it's like in these black bins, like this on the white stands out a little bit. And then when I reuse them, I just cross them out and write the new number. I don't currently reuse numbers. I know some people do their spreadsheet like that, but I keep track like a running total of everything that I've ever sold, and I don't like to delete the data because I might want to go back someday and like look at all of it. So I keep just making the numbers higher. And at some point, like maybe at the end of next year, I'll change and go back to 1. But this has worked for me so far. And like I said, I just put them in the box and then update my spreadsheet after I'm done listing them. So let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions for me. I'm happy to share. And again, I will link my inventory tracker as well as these bags in my Amazon store below and on my social like I always do. But yeah, comment, please subscribe, and then again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help, you know, you guys in any way I can.